Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. It's a Saturday. I'm supposed to go for yoga, but unfortunately I'm not going. Let me not say unfortunately, I'm not going. The reason why, I'm going for some event that is happening at somewhere along Gong Road, and it's for this particular person that is like my role model. Actually, she is my role model, and she's going to have this talk about women growing their businesses. So this is something I don't want to miss, and yeah, I'll take you with me. We are here on time, just doing some registration. Mariel is here filling in the form. By the time with Mariel, she came like she had to. Yeah, so we're just trying to fill in the forms, and then we're still waiting for here to be here. So as soon as she gets here, we'll start. But it's really, really interesting. I'm looking forward to the day, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy. It's a ladies thing.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, about our mission, our purpose, what we were trying to do, and we realized that it was just about women, and it was about trying to be part of helping, or finding a way for women to change the way they see themselves, and using fashion to do that.
Hi guys, kindly allow me to just insert quickly a few of the things that Wandia shared with us on the lessons that she learned from the moment she started Vivo up to date. I'm going to do it so quickly, guys. I'm gonna talk less, I promise. She said that don't promise things that you can't deliver. Like when you start your company, make sure that anything that you tell your client is something that is within your range and it's something that you can deliver to them. And then know why you're being paid, know your value, like know how much you're worth, because when people come and buy something for 5,000, they expect to find good quality. So make sure that whatever you charge reflects with whatever you're going to deliver, like the quality of the product that you're producing is as good as the money that you guys are charging it for. Something else that she mentioned is ideas and execution. When you think of an idea, make sure that it happens, make sure that you put it into place, make sure that you execute. Don't just sit on it, because when an idea comes to your mind, do it while it is fresh, because there's a reason why it came to your mind. So just be a doer. Don't just be thinking and coming up with ideas and not executing. You can't know whether the idea is good or bad if you don't practice and put it into place. Something else, okay, take full responsibility in all decisions that you make, all your action. Even as an entrepreneur, when you decide to invest in a certain business and then it backfire, don't blame it on other people saying that, oh, it's because of this and this. Oh no, just take full responsibility. And then stay hungry. What she meant by this is that when you start making money, just live the way you used to live. Like, don't, for example, when you're employed, when I was employed, let's say I was getting 80,000 per month. So when I start my business, I start getting maybe 200 a month now, and all of a sudden I just want to change my lifestyle. No, she said, make sure you stay hungry and invest more in the company. So don't just use money because it's coming in. Stay hungry, guys. Sacrifice a couple of things and invest in your business. Another thing, don't let your ego get in the way. And the example that she gave with this is that, sometimes as the owner of the company, you might be working with a team and then there's a mistake that you did somewhere. One of your employees notices and then comes and tells you. Don't shut them up, but tell them, excuse me, I am the boss here, so who are you to tell me stuff? Just learn from everyone, like learn from your people you're working with. You're a team, so don't let your ego get in the way of you and your business. Cool, guys? Customer service is something that is very key that she mentioned too, and the reason why she said this is that when Vivo started, of course, the people came and complained about the material that they were using, that it was of low quality, blah blah blah. So as an entrepreneur, be open to complaints. Like, listen to your customers whenever they complain and thank them, because you better have a customer that comes back to you and complain about something than going to ruin your name outside there and saying the way your products are blah 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 blah. So just learn how to accept complaints, and customer service has to be on top. And then bend to the market. When you start a business, there's usually an idea that you have and there's a way you want to do it. And when you get to do it now, practically the execution time now, maybe the market doesn't respond to your product the way you thought they're going to respond. Adjust a little bit on your product and see what works for the client. Something else, taste plus action is equal to success. And this is taking risk. Risk. Like, don't just sit there and play safe. If you think putting this cup up here is gonna be, it's gonna make this computer do work faster, then do it. But guys, don't try this. I'm just giving you an example. So just take risk. And then lastly, always be a student. This is something that I've been trying to embrace of late, because I find that there's so many things I can learn online, and there's so many platforms in Nairobi that people can go and get to better their skills in terms of entrepreneurship and any other thing that you want to do. Always try and get into platforms where guys are being taught about certain things. So just learn, and don't restrict yourself from learning, because every day there's always something new to learn, and you can't be better unless you learn. So that's it. Let's go back to the day.
Planning to make work and get into self-employment. The challenges.
Okay, hey everyone, my name is Sylvia. I'm the Kenya country manager for Sinapis. So just to talk a little bit in brief about what Sinapis is, so it's an organization that deals with training entrepreneurs. And one of the challenges we've seen in entrepreneurship, since the organization was formed in 2011, I've trained over 1,000 entrepreneurs to date, is the idea that we have so many people like, I want to get into business, I want to do business. But when you look at the volume of that number, it's high. But how many of those become successful businesses, become your Bigos, become your equity banks, for instance? Not many. And so there are a number of reasons why that is. One of them is the lack of the skill. Probably I studied biology in my university degree, and then voila, I found myself in business. So that's a challenge. So I need the skills. Another is also lack of networks. Another is also corruption. And so we looked at how can we help entrepreneurs in these areas who are struggling, and that's where Sinapis was born. So we need to give entrepreneurs the basic skills. So we do that for a 4-month program for just once a week for 16 weeks, and it costs about 40,000 payable in installments of 10,000 per month. And so we've been doing that and we've been seeing results.
So I think you've had almost everything that I was going to tell you. You guys have page on Instagram?
Yes, we are. That is Sinapis Group. That's both on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
Yeah, so guys, feel free to come and join Sinapis. I also tried. I will definitely come and join you guys. I didn't know about you guys, but yeah.
Hi guys, so I'm with my favorite person and just get to hear from her.
Hi everyone, excited to be on the channel, hopefully speaking to a bunch of ambitious entrepreneurs who are wondering, how to grow their businesses or how to start. And my advice would be to start, to take your idea, even in the smallest of ways, and just take the next steps. Put something in front of people and ask them to pay for it. So whether it's a service, whether it's a product, try selling it, even if you're only making a few pieces or you're only offering it to a small number of people, and really listen to the feedback, and then constantly improve on what it is you're offering. Ideas are great, but they don't really translate until you start to execute. So that would be my biggest piece of advice. And just to not be discouraged if it takes a bit of time. It's a journey. There'll be mistakes, there'll be lessons. You'll lose money, you might lose clients, but how do you learn from that? How do you pick up and how do you keep going? And that would be my 2 cents worth, and I just want to wish you all the best. Good luck.
Mariette, what do you think about the whole thing?
It was just an amazing talk. We've learned a lot, and I really, really thank my friend girl for tagging me along. That was the bad girl. It's okay.
But I'm so happy we came here, and just from what Wandia shared with us, we are so pregnant with knowledge right now. And if you want to know more, please guys, just look for us, yeah? Sawa. That's it for today, guys. For those who subscribed, thank you so much. And if you like this particular video, kindly thumbs up. And for those who've not subscribed, please do, guys, so that you can get more information about this entrepreneurship thing. And I'm going to leave a link to Sinapis, like their website, on my description box. Please guys, and let's join this Sinapis and just get to learn about entrepreneurship and be the best in this thing called business. Until next time, kisses.